So I'll be showing you how to set the sleep timer on your TCL Google TV. Now this is basically setting the amount of time before the TV automatically goes to sleep, turns off the screen and goes into standby mode. So what you want to do to set a sleep timer, simply go to settings. You can either go to settings like I've done or press the settings button on your remote. And then under settings, go to system, select that. Under system, go to power and energy, select that. And then go to sleep timer, select that. Now currently sleep timer is off on my TV. So if I want to use sleep timer, I have to choose either a 10-minute timer, 20 minutes, 30, 40, all the way to 240 minutes, which is about 4 hours. So let's say I want to set the sleep timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so once I do that, the TV will turn off automatically in 30 minutes like it says there. So now I can continue watching whatever I was watching or doing whatever I was doing on the TV. After 30 minutes, the TV will automatically go off. And that is basically how to use or how to turn on or how to enable the sleep timer on your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.